To create a professional documentary-style camera zoom-out effect with a text animation in After Effects, start by creating a new composition titled Camera Zoom Out Effect. Set the preset to HD 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second with a duration of 15 seconds. Ensure the background color is set to black. Then click OK. Next, double-click the project panel to import your footage clip by dragging and dropping it into the timeline. To create depth, right-click on the timeline, go to New, and select Solid Layer. Choose a dark red for the background color and name it Overlay. Click OK, then right-click on the layer, navigate to Layer Style, and select Blending Mode. Choose the Multiply option to enhance the depth effect. To apply the camera zoom out effect, hold the Shift key and select both layers, right-click, and choose Pre-Compose, then click OK. Select the pre-composed layer and turn on the 3D option. Ensure the playhead is set to the start. In the Properties panel, create a keyframe for both opacity and scale, adjusting the scale to 200 and opacity to 0. Move the playhead forward by 2 to 3 frames, then change the opacity to 100 and scale to approximately 110. This will produce a smooth zoom-out effect. Select all keyframes and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Open the graph editor to adjust the graph to create a subtle easing effect. To add a wiggle effect, hit P on your keyboard for position properties. While holding the Alt key, click on the stopwatch for the Y position and enter the expression wiggle 1,10. Then hit Enter. This will apply a dynamic wiggle to the layer. Finally, add your desired text by selecting the text tool and typing in your message. Choose your preferred font, adjust the size, and center it within the composition. Ensure the anchor point is set to the center and change the color to a bright yellow. Next, select the shape layer, go to Effects and Presets, search for the encryption effect, and double-click to apply it for a cool animation. Synchronize the end of the zoom out effect with the start of the text layer by pressing U to view the keyframes. Select the keyframes, press F9 for Easy Ease, and adjust the graph speed as needed. Now preview your final animation. It should look fantastic. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to share, comment, and stay tuned for the next video.